You and a guy has been dating for a long time. The guy now decided to marry you. Two of you never have sex. You now pay your bride price, do traditional marriage. Two of you now sleep to each other. And now find out the guy cannot satisfy me. Odogu too small. And no woman need big odogu. No woman will like small odogu. And any marriage needs satisfaction. Satisfaction and blood work together. So, Daddy, I'm asking you this question. Can I have a boyfriend? Or should I divorce him?
Are you married?
No, sir.
Married before?
No, sir. No, sir.
How do you know small and big, Odogu?
Supposed to know. I am a good boy. I'm a virgin.
How many boys have you dated before?
Only I can't see. None of them only before. So, only